Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with land.com to source Acreage investments, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with land.com for sourcing Acreage investments, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the land.com homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill out the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to create a strong password for your account. After filling in the details, read through the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box confirming your acceptance. Proceed by clicking the Create Account or Continue button. Next, check your email for a verification message from land.com. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This action will confirm your email address. Once verified, return to the land.com site. Log in using your newly created account credentials. After logging in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. To find Acreage investments, use the search bar on the homepage. Enter specific keywords related to the type of land you're interested in. You can filter results by location, size, and price range. Review the listings that match your criteria. Click on any listing to view more details. Take note of key information such as property size, price, and owner details. If you wish to receive personalized updates, look for the subscription options. Fill in any additional preferences for notification frequency. Finally, save your settings to ensure you receive timely information. This completes your guide to subscribing with land.com for Acreage investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.